indicated the price has never come there. So that is a very good level. That is a very good level until and unless it breaks. Okay. When I say never tested, it means that past POC lines which are not yet kissed. Okay. Which are not yet kissed. That is the one. All right. Good. Now, that is the next part. Coming back to the story. And what is profile high and low? Profile high and low is nothing but these things. This is your profile high. This is your profile low. That's all. That is of no significance. What is most important for individual is your POC, your value area high and low, your initial balance, your virgin POCs, beyond anything, the powerful price actions behind it. Okay. Anyway, let's move further. So what does this high volume notes tell you? These are peaks in volume. It can be seen as an indicator for a period of consolidation. What is POC full form? POC is point of control. Usually there is a great deal of activity on both buy side and sell side. Okay, and market always stays at that particular price level where the price is mutually accepted. Wherever a price is mutually accepted, that's where the price spends most of the time. In price action world, the base is one region where price most of the times gets traded. If you don't know what a base is, please go and watch my YouTube videos. Okay. Yes, Andrew. Now, this can imply that the fair value area for the asset, which means whenever two transactions happen at a place, that means that price is fair because two people have agreed to exchange the transaction. They triggered the transaction. All right. Generally, these high value notes are actually are like magnet. Price always tends to go near that. Price always tends to go near that. Okay. These are levels. I always keep telling my friends, we should not be like a cheetah chasing a deer. A cheetah chases the deer because it is very strong, but we are not strong. We can't chase a deer. We can't chase the prize. We should be like a tiger waiting for the prey to come to our place. Which is the place? The riverbed, where the deer come to drink water. That's when you jump on your prey. Similarly, price action is level. Volume profile is level. You work on levels. Slowly, when you start working on levels, you will slowly discover the edge over the period of time. Okay. Now, next thing is, see, wherever there is high volume zone, there will be lot of actions. There will be lot of actions. In fact, for me, when I look at a chart, I'll only see levels. H1, H2. This is an FTR for me. I can always look for a trade here when price comes here. I can take a long trade here with a stop loss here, and that area is supported by an extremely beautiful high volume node. This is a point of confluence. So what is an FTR? Unfortunately, I can't teach you many aspects in this session because it's outside the scope. Go to my channel. Okay, somewhere, I think it is somewhere there. So here you go. Okay, go and watch this video. That will help you. It's almost 1 year before I posted that video there. Clear, friends? If you want to understand what an FTR is, you should go and verify that video in the channel. I cannot describe it right now because the intention of the session is different. So what is a low volume node? A low volume node is a node where there is less of activity, very less volume get transacted at a particular price level. Okay, and these nodes are generally happens at the time of breakout. There will be a huge initial burst of volume at the resistance level or the support level, and there onwards there will be a sudden drop or sudden rally in price, because after a resistance there will not be anyone to stop you. So price you casually passes ahead. Too much of GAN. Watch it here. So whenever you see a very low value node like this, those regions price easily passes through. Why it passes through? Why it passes through? It is because people are not willing to transact at that point. Look at this. This is a resistance. Once this resistance is broken, price zoomed ahead. Why? Here, this is a very high value area where maximum transaction happens, this whole region. But this region, this rectangle, red rectangle, the volume is very low. Price easily passes through, even if the volume is very low. That is why we always tell, don't believe volume. See volume in a different perspective. See volume from a different angle. Understood, friends? Any doubts? The fact of the matter here is that is a point where there is only less volume, and because of less volume, naturally you will march ahead. In simple words, I will put it like this. Take a war zone. Take a war zone. This is your enemy battleground, and people are marching. 5,000 warriors march ahead. Okay, they march. When they come here, definitely there is a war. This is a place of war. Let's say there are 3,000 people fighting. What happens? This 5,000 will go fight with them, kill the 3,000, and there also 3,000 dies, and roughly around 2,000 will stay. They will happily march ahead, the remaining 2,000 plus, so that they can go and fight at some other fort. In price in price journey, every level is a fort which you need to fight. The winner rules the roost. Okay. So prices generally bounces off from those regions. Okay. So that is what is the value area high low. Look at this here. In the example above, this is your POC, the point of control. This is your value area high. This is your value area low. This is your profile high, profile low. This is your profile high. These are all your high value, high volume nodes, high volume nodes, high volume nodes, high volume nodes. These are all your low volume nodes, low volume, low volume, low volume. And by looking at the price action chart, by looking at power patterns, you can definitely make a different perspective. Okay. So first we will do a dissection of price, and then you will come and bring volume profile into it to look for confluence. And if needed, you can even look at GAN as a time factor. That is how you can look at an edge, look at something which others are not seeing. Anyway, next important thing is virgin POC. Next important thing is virgin POC. So what is a virgin POC? A POC, look at this. This is a hard line. See, it became a dotted line here, which means the moment price comes and touches that line, it is tested. It is tested. Whereas see here, look at this guy. Okay, wherever price changes into a dotted line, that means it is tested. Until that, it is a virgin POC. Which is this? This is not this. Today's POC is this. Today's POC is this. This is yesterday's POC. And this is day before yesterday POC. Look at it. It is hard. Suddenly it changed because it is no longer virgin. So these are the things which I get automatically done so that we get better perspective. Okay, virgin POCs are actually very useful in price action. Okay, the once this virgin POCs confluence with price action, things would be really good. All right. Anyway, in the subsequent sessions, we will try to empower you with more information. Okay, good. So, summary of learnings today. Price action is always about price, volume profile about volume, GAN about time. When you merge these aspects, will give you a superior edge. Today we just had a glimpse of the introduction to volume profile. In the subsequent sessions next week, I will try to expose you with more information, more and more information about volume profile and other aspects. For now, let me look at remove drawings, remove indicator. For example, what do you want? You want Nifty? Chalo, let's check Nifty. Or you want Bank Nifty? People love Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty, you will not get volume profile because it is a stock. This is what is the one which you need to use. It is a continuous contract. Yeah. Okay, though, and then you can, if required, put your, will it show? Something is happening there. Visible range. Okay, good. That's what you need to do. All right. Now, let me go to daily. Generally, whenever I want to analyze a particular price action behavior, I'll go to monthly. All right, friends. By the way, actually speaking, in the monthly chart, I see a good zone here. Rally base drop. Rally base drop. Background color should be red. Monthly zone. Nah. Okay. That is one. Any other thing from the top? Nothing. Not only that, this is a Quasimodo level. This level is important. High, low, higher high, lower low. There is lot of manipulation here, lot of disturbances there. In fact, Nifty had also a similar level, but Nifty, it was broken. Okay. Now let me go slightly into weekly. In a weekly chart, okay, price is here. Any good zone here? Yes, this is one zone. This is a demand zone. That is a supply zone. Okay. So price is playing between a strong supply and a good demand at the bottom. Now price is close to what now? Price is close to the supply. So price is close to the seller dominated area, then the buyer dominated area. So if you want to do buying, be cautious and watch out. That is next thing. Now, if I come back here to watch this level carefully, all are congested. This whole candles are all congested, all compressed, all base candles. Okay, I do not want to focus on this anymore. Let me get into daily. Yes, when I go to daily, when I look at this region, okay, look at this, friends. This is amazingly crazy. You know why it's crazy? This whole region, all this region are compressed. These are all compressed. If something goes wrong, price will fall like a rocket. It's all compressed. It's very bad zone. Why it's a bad zone? Same story is simple. You just go and mark a zone. Try to put a fresh zone if you can. For example, here rally, base, rally. This is a zone. That zone is already tested. Abyss. Then, okay, this zone is already tested. One more. Rally, base, rally. This zone. This is also tested. Next. Drop, base, rally. See, all zones are tested. There is not a single fresh zone. Is there anything sensible zone? I would say the only sensible zone is this. The only sensible zone for me in the entire journey is this. Rally, base, rally, base, gap up rally. So that means that is also tested. So I would take this as the right zone. Anything else is gone. This is one place where there is a lot of respect for the zone. And any supply at the top, none of them. Any supply at the top, none of them. Now let me go back to this region. See, this whole region is messed up big time. Can you draw a fresh zone here? It's brutally difficult. See, rally, base, rally, and then drop. It's all tested inside the region. So this high might be this high of Bank Nifty can be taken out pretty easily. If it doesn't, we'll wait for confirmation and look for a prospective trade. Now, as of now, for you as a trader, there are two things. The price is very close to the supply, weekly supply. Okay. And if I have to look at this place, if there's any good zone here, these places are all screwed up. See, all are bases, all are bases. How many of you understand? These are all small, narrow range candles, right? They make no significant. They don't define strength. If price goes up beyond the point, it can all break out. Okay, Nifty is currently, Bank Nifty is in a very crucial location. If you ask me personally, if I want to become a positional trader, okay, I am not going to take any trade any in these regions. I will max wait here or here. These two are the regions where I want to take positional trades, which is at 26,000 levels, 25 to 26,000 levels. So till 30 is danger. And then from 31,800 to 31,000, 32,000 level, it's a shorting zone. But we need to see how price is going. Now understand this simple thought, friends. Look at this price. These are all base candles. Base. All are base. Or when you get so many base candles or the narrow range candles, that means it is not a confident move. It is a weak move. It is not backed by solid fundamental rally. So if something goes wrong, it will fall like a tsunami. It will not show any mercy. The price can collapse. So we need to see what happens next. Okay, this is what price action says. Now apply your common sense. Okay, now apply your common sense. This is a point where maximum volume get transacted. In spite of the volume, price is not moving. Why? Think. See, there are times with a very small volume price rallies, big time. Sometimes with huge volume also price will not move. Think. That will have many answers. And currently Bank Nifty is in a shortable zone. Okay, you need to watch out. Now if you are an intraday trader, okay, if you are an intraday trader, let me go to Bank Nifty. I love trading Bank Nifty even on 1 minute chart, friends. I don't care. Okay, I remove all indicators, I remove all drawings. I'll do one thing. Mm, okay, okay, now it's coming well. If you look at it, you can start from a daily candle. Okay, one thing is it is having resistance here, it's unable to move above it. There's only demand zone at 25 26,000 levels, so nothing to worry. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to, I don't like hourly, friends. I go to 75-minute candle. I hate hourly because it is not a complete candle. This is a fresh zone which is not yet broken, but that is not an authentic zone. Okay, and this is a good zone here where price just kissed and went up by respecting it. This was a very good supply, very good supply here, and that supply zone has been respected. Okay, as of now, so price is inside that supply, correct? Now I'll go into 25 minutes for you if you want. Now see this. Okay, that is a fresh zone. Price has gone inside the zone and closed it on a 25-minute candle. See, here we have another beautiful zone. A very fresh zone, valid zone. All right, and then I'll go to 15 minutes. Anything interesting here? No, it is same. Here also it is same. So 30,200 to 29,400. These 400 points would be the approximate range. And any breakout happens in between these two, then you need to discover next phase of journey. It's very, very difficult to track price. And generally what happens, friends, I generally watch for engulf. Okay, so I start my journey with an engulf only. First thing first, if this is a line, first is this SR line. Okay, it has engulfed that line. And next thing I want to see is this line. Okay, this is a beautiful flag limit that actually worked. This is a beautiful flag limit that actually worked, and we need to watch Is there anything else around? This is an SR line later, so we don't know. At least from the demand side, this is a zone 29,788. It's a very fresh zone which respected. That was a power pattern, and we need to watch out how price will progress from here. So that's what I can figure out from the charts as of now, and that is our range. Watch out for all SR lines. All never ever ignore the points where price reacted. They will give you hints. This story works for every script, friends. Price action is universal. Okay, sounds good. I hope every one of you enjoyed the conversation. With this, we come to the end of the session for Q&A. Meanwhile, if you're interested, we have one of the India's largest and the first Bank Nifty conference happening in a virtual conference happening with almost 16 speakers, 16 days of Bank Nifty strategies, 16 days of action, and almost 16 Bank Nifty speakers are coming. We have 75 days to go. If you guys are interested, go to niftybanker.in and have a look at the website. Okay, today's recording would be available for everyone. Okay, I will host it in the website. Is that clear, friends? And I know many of you would have joined the program too. Okay, so we are looking for a good participation this time for this conference, and now the lines are open for Q&A. Please shoot your questions. Okay, Sandeep, today we just spoke about volume profile and its intro. Subsequent talks we will do some volume profile action. Okay, we will see how we can do analysis of price action and then synchronize the volume profile for Confluence. We will do that in the subsequent charts. So any other question on the high level thought process of volume profile? Thanks, Reena. Appreciate it. Is volume profile available in investing? I don't know, friends. You need to check. I use only Trading View and ME Broker. That's what I see. I don't see others. Okay. So that is why I might not know. So what is initial balance? Initial balance is nothing but how did the price move in the first half an hour to 1 hour. Okay. Some experts use 30 minutes. Some experts use 1 hour also. That is called as initial balance. Okay. We have a guest from Peru also. Thank you very much for that. Venkatachalam asks, Ashok, is intraday 15 minutes better than 5 minutes? No. Bank Nifty, I use even 1 minute trading. And Nifty, I use 5 minutes. Stocks, I use 15 minutes and above. This is my selection criteria. Yes, Logesh. So Andrews, I don't have this one. You can have a look at this link. Okay. Shoot any more questions. We have a lot of time we can discuss. Okay. No worries. I'm happy to take up your questions. Thank you very much.